Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Friday 26th of January with me, Rich, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at euro dollar, which has sharply moved higher in recent days, and big reversal candle yesterday actually on the ECB. ECB actually pushed out euro dollar to a high of 25.36, but then you had these comments from Donald Trump that suggested that the dollar would be strengthening through his presidency, and subsequently the dollar sharply turned around, closed lower on the day. But subsequently we've seen the euro dollar rallying again. So interesting that a lot of volatility still playing out, and the market is sort of 60 odd pips up on the day. So it's certainly is still choppy to say the least, but you've got this trend higher that is still remaining intact, and the supports that have come in again around that sort of 2360 level, 2370 again this morning. So it's interesting that the dollar is still under pressure. Despite Trump's comments, the market is sort of at the moment looked past that and still sort of going ahead with selling on the dollar. The technical outlook on euro dollar remains very strong, doesn't it? Positively configured on RSI, MACD lines, and stochastics. You can see on the hourly chart where the market has sort of regained the ascendancy. Looking at the hourly chart, though, the indicators. Well, if the hourly RSI starts to drop from here, that is certainly suggesting that the market is certainly slowing in its advance. So that would be the concern I would have there. And look at the MACD lines as well. If they start to cross lower from here, you could start to see the market rolling over and turning down. And that's why I'm a little bit concerned still about how high this euro is and how much further it could travel to the upside, because there are sort of corrective signals that are coming through. Obviously, yesterday's initial drop on Trump's comments sort of put a bit of a warning shot across the bows of the bulls, but you still haven't really seen any decisive signals. But rolling over and sort of failing on these hourly momentum signals could start to sort of put pressure onto the downside. That key support, obviously, yesterday's low 2360, initial sort of support coming in around 2410 today. But yeah, interesting that we've got these development on the hourly indicators that we might now need to keep an eye on. US GDP this afternoon, a lot of volatility could be had out of that as well, and further comments out of Davos. So watch out for all these factors. So lots going on in Eurodollar and Forex generally. So I wish you good luck in trading. I'll speak to you later.